Good morning, children.
Morning.
Okay. Today we do the activity for addition.
Yes.
Okay. First sum 3 plus 4. How will you do? Arrange it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
What is the answer?
7.
Spelling of 7?
S-E-V-E-N 7.
Say what is the spelling?
S-E-V-E-N 7.
Yes, very good. Then you both. Listen here, Meran Veronica. 2 plus 6. Arrange it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
This line.
6.
This line. Go.
Next arrange for 2. 2 arrange panna.
1, 2.
What is the answer?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8. Where is the 8 number? Spelling of 8?
E-I-G-H-T.
8 spelling? 8 spelling?
E-I-G-H-T.
Yes, very good. Say thank you, miss. Thank you, children.